Today's video is a response to the AI video channel who asked a couple weeks ago if this classic vent molding design on the 13 and up Ford Escapes can be updated to the 17 through 19 design shown here. It turns out that his did fit and mine didn't. Now I have a 13 and he has a 15, so we're going to get into those differences right here. So I'm going to be fishing my hand in from the front to pop this out, and I'm going to be going for these two squeeze tabs right here. So first impressions with the 2017 going in, it looks like it should fit great, right? Fits right in that pocket. But if you look closely, this is the 2013. You have a guide rib here that fits there, and you have a snap that fits back here, and these two spring tabs which lock in right here. If I compare the underside of these two pieces, I have this whole feature in the top of the 2017 right here that needs to go in some cutout right here. So even though the footprint is close and it wants to go in, this piece will not go in unmodified. So before going any further, reach your hand inside the hood, reach down into the fender, pop out that insert, and see which type of receptacle you have. If you have the kind on the left, like me, stick around for the next few steps of modifications to get the 17 chrome insert to work. If you have the one on the right, like the AI video channel, you should be good to go. Here we're using a Dremel and a cutting wheel to just shave off the feature. Make sure you leave it good and flat, and don't damage any of the surrounding foam if you can help it. Now what happens when I try and put this one in, I can press it in. It feels pretty snug, but if I go like this, I can pop it out. And that's because we no longer have a feature that's in here that keeps it from twisting. So if you want to do this, you're going to need some help. So we're going to put some double-sided 3M VHB tape on the front end of this. We're going to use some Goo Gone and take off any adhesive that's still on there. We're going to take isopropyl alcohol and rub down the surface with a microfiber cloth to make sure it's very clean. Remove the backing and press it in. Make sure your surface prep is good. It'll stick on. If you're okay with some tape holding it on, then this is a job for you. If you want 100% guarantee, it might not be it. I'm going to hold on to my 2013 vent because if this pops off when I'm driving, I want to keep this as a spare and just pop it right back in. So if you want to check out another video that might be really interesting, check out this one right here.